2022 Tax Refund Backlog. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for this breaking IRS news on how you can receive help from the Taxpayer Advocate Service website. They have updated the information on how they can help you, what are the requirements, how you can contact them. Make sure you're watching till the very end. Let's go ahead and begin. This information is being shared from the taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov website. How can TAS help you? They can help you with financial hardship, IRS system issues, fair and equitable treatment. Financial hardship, economic burden is when you are experiencing financial difficulty. You will need to describe the hardship that is causing an economic burden to you, and you may be required to provide documentation to verify this hardship. So whatever your situation is, you will have to describe and provide additional information as proof to the tax advocate. The IRS system issue is when an Internal Revenue Service IRS process, system, Internal Revenue Code, or procedure has failed to operate properly. All right, so if there is issues or errors with the system in the IRS handling of your tax refund or tax payment issue or any other tax issue that you may have, they can also help you with those issues as well. The Taxpayer Advocate Service will ensure that you receive fair and equitable treatment and that your rights as a taxpayer is protected. We all have rights as taxpayers, and the IRS have an obligation to treat everyone fairly in terms of how they handle each and everyone's tax situation. So if you feel that they are mistreating you or you're not being treated fairly, you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance. Now, here is the most recent updated information on the type of cases that the IRS is currently, or the Taxpayer Advocate is currently accepting based on your delayed and backlog refunds. For tax year 2021, it says the Taxpayer Advocate Service is currently assisting taxpayers with tax year 2021 cases where the IRS has processed the return and has made adjustments and sent you, the taxpayer, a notice discussing the adjustment. So if your tax refund has been processed, the IRS made adjustments that you do not agree with, you can open a case with a tax advocate to receive assistance in disputing the IRS decision, all right, in terms of how they handle your specific case. Now, the Taxpayer Advocate Service is not currently assisting taxpayers with on-process tax year 2021 income tax returns that were filed by paper and that has not been entered into the IRS system. So unfortunately, if you file by paper, they are not accepting cases that are has not yet been entered into the IRS system. It says they will continue to evaluate their ability to accept those type of cases as the IRS resolves and get caught up on the backlog. However, the Taxpayer Advocate Service will assist taxpayers who file their return electronically where the return has been delayed in processing and the taxpayer meets the acceptance criteria. So if you meet the acceptance criteria and you file electronically, they are taking those type of cases. Now, for tax year 2020, the Taxpayer Advocate is currently assisting taxpayers with on-process tax year 2020 or earlier income tax returns. That's your 2019, 2018 that you file by paper. So if you file by paper and your refund is backlogged for 2020, 2019, or so forth, it says if your return was mailed before June 1st, 2021. So if your tax return was mailed before June 1st, 2021, the Taxpayer Advocate Service will be able to assist you with your delayed refund. They will continue to evaluate further. It says as the IRS get caught up on their backlog. However, taxpayer will assist the taxpayer advocate will assist those who file their return electronically. So if you file electronically in your 2020, 2019, and so forth is backlog, they are also assisting you with those cases. And as you can see, this information was revised May 2020. The Taxpayer Advocate Service is also advising that there are experiencing currently a high volume of calls due to the tax refund delays and backlogs. As a result, you may experience a lengthy wait times while trying to contact the taxpayer advocate. So just make sure you are keep redialing, keep calling until you get someone. It may take a while, but if you are persistent in calling, you will get someone on the phone. All right. It says that they may take up to 4 weeks before they respond to your call. All right. So be patient. That if you do not receive a call back right away, that does not mean they will not call you. It can take up to 4 weeks before they respond to your case or respond to your application. They are apologizing for the delays and the reduced hold times. All right. So let's go ahead and move on to how you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service. You can go on their website. As you can see, the complete website is listed here. https://www.taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov/contact-us. All right. Or you can simply call them at 1-877-777-4778. Please note it says that although they usually work cases by geographic locations, your particular case may be worked by a tax office in another state. All right. But this will not delay the resolution or them contacting you. It will be the same time frame if they send your case to another location. All right. So depending on the workload in each state, they may send your particular case to another location who have less cases, but that does not mean it will be delayed any more than the usual time frame that you have to wait. All right. Make sure to share with others in the comments your experience with dealing with the Taxpayer Advocate Service. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can come back for all of the IRS breaking news and information. I am doing the research, so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.